Namaste students, myself Vishnu Samudia, Faculty of Education and Methodology, Program BSc B.Ed, 8th Sem, Session, Absorption and Intensity Shift. The first intensity shifts are bathochromic shift या red shift. The bathochromic shift are absorption maxima, lambda maximum of a compound's shift to longer wavelength. It is known as a bathochromic shift or red shift. So, bathochromic shift are higher wavelength. The effect is due to the presence of an auxochrome or by the change in solvent. For example, an auxochrome groups like OH, OCH3 causes absorption of compound at higher wavelength. In alkaline medium, para-nitrophenol show red shift या bathochromic shift because negatively charged oxygen delocalized more effectively than the unshaded pair of electron. So para-nitrophenol are lambda maximum is equal to 255 nanometer, but in presence of alkaline medium convert to lambda maximum is equal to 265 nanometer in oxygen negative charge present. नेक्स्ट hypsochromic shift या blue shift. The hypsochromic shift या blue shift when absorption maximum lambda maximum of a compound shift to shorter wavelength या lower wavelength, it is known as hypsochromic shift या blue shift. Clear? The effect is due to the presence of an group causes removal of conjugation or by the change of a solvent. The blue shift are aniline shows by blue shift in acidic medium it loses conjugation. Clear? तो conjugation loss of the electrons या loss of the protons in acidic medium aniline in lambda maximum are 280 nanometer convert to lambda maximum is equal to 265 nanometer. Clear? Next, hyperchromic shift effect. When absorption intensity E of a compound is increased is known as hyperchromic shift. If auxochrome introduced to the compound, the intensity of absorption increases. So pyridines are lambda maximum is equal to 257 nanometer and 2-methylene pyridine are lambda maximum is equal to 260 nanometer. Clear? Next are hypochromic effect. The hypochromic effect when absorption intensity of a compound is decreases is known as hypochromic shift. Clear? So compound are decreases. So naphthalene are and 2-methyl naphthalene. So naphthalene E is equal to intensity is equal to 19000 and intensity of 2-methyl naphthalene are 10250 nanometer. Clear? The shift and effect. So in graphical representation, absorbance and wavelength lambda maximum are hypochromic shift convert to hyperchromic shift and blue shift convert to red shift and red shift convert to blue shift. In graphical representation are given below. Next, application of spectroscopy या UV visible spectroscopy. First applications are qualitative and quantitative analysis. It is used the characteristics, aromatics compound and conjugated olefins. It can be used to find out molar concentration of the solute under study. Detection of impurities. It is one of the important method to detect impurities of the organic solvent. Clear? Detection of isomers and are possible. And determine the form of molecular weight using Beer's law. Clear? In application of spectroscopy. Okay.